we've shown you how to replace a string line on your Ryobi 40V weed eater. First thing you want to do is make sure you've not got any string left in here. Now you can do that by removing this cap, or you can just have a look in the side. Confirm that we've got no string left in the weed eater. We can start loading this, and what you want to do is make sure the arrows here are lined up with the arrows on this piece here. So turn this until they line up. You'll hear an audible click. Take your string line, and you can do up to 10 feet of string line at one time. And what I'm going to do is thread string from one side to the other side, like that. Just make sure that you've got a straight piece of string, or it might get caught up in the mechanism. Just have to bend it around a little bit. And now what you're going to do is pull this through. Have half on the right side and half of the string on the left side. And it's easier when you have a new piece of string, because you can just pull it through and then cut them both at 5 feet. Then you know you've got an equal amount of string on each side. And now that we've got this lined up, you can just turn this by hand, which isn't too difficult. You hear an audible click and the string will start to pull in on both sides. Or Ryobi have provided this handy little tool here that you can just put on, and you should be able to just turn. You want to leave about 5 or 6 inches sticking out.